To watch birds in the countryside, it isn't always possible to bring the various species to you. If you live in a rural environment, you are of course far more likely than the town dwellers to see a wider range of birds on your own doorstep, and there will be plenty of tips to help you to up your attraction factor. Watching birds truly is a great British tradition, and this very addictive, delightful pastime can quickly become a very important part of everyday life. As children, we all had early encounters with birds, putting out bread for them to eat, and whether it was ducks on the local pond or robins and blackbirds in our own back gardens, it inspired memories that will last a lifetime. The gradual transition from a casual interest in birds to that of a dedicated twitcher will catch most people almost unawares. And if you're at the stage where you can identify most species that congregate upon your bird table, while at the same time experiencing the call of the wild enticing you out into the countryside, then this programme is definitely for you.